open.
Daddy.
Trick or treat. Here, open. Trick or treating.
Gee. What could it be? Look at those big old feet. Ooh, big.
What is it?
Oh, Sissy.
Trick or treat.
Aw. Oh,
It's a book.
book.
It's a book.
Mommy, book.
Book. Oh, God.
Wow.
Oh, it's another book.
Oh,
It's got fuzzies in it. Yeah.
it's a book.
Book.
Like the one we were reading today.
B, you got book?
Who's that?
Uh-oh. B. Caillou.
Caillou.
Who's that? Can you B?
Mommy, let's go.
Caillou. I'm just a kid who's 4. He's so confused. He's like, why? Caillou? Uh-oh.
Sissy.
Trick or treat?
Trick or treat. Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
Not secured very well, Nani. Look, it's a
Oh, pumpkin.
pumpkin shirt.
No.
Pumpkin shirt.
Oh. There you go. Mommy, you're
Okay, I read to you. I read you Caillou. Oh, this is fantastic.
No.
Book.
Ooh. Boo-hoo.
Mommy,
Aww.
it's that.
B, look. Who's that?
That's Mommy.
Mickey Mouse?
Can you has a Mickey? Can
Mommy,
you?
that's what Mommy did.
Okay, I read to you too. Okay. Oh, oh, wow. They made it. Cookie? Look at your yo-ho-ho pirate pail. Trick-or-treating.
Mommy. Whoa, that.
Yeah. Whoa-ho-ho, B.
Okay.
Cookie. Mmm. Cookie.
Mommy.
What is...
Ooh.
B, cookie. B, cookie. Ooh.
Want a cookie? Ooh.
You've got to put this on
Is it
YouTube.
good?
B, yummy?
Can I have one? Pumpkin.
Okay.
Pumpkin. Oh my god.
Mommy.
Oh, do you want me to have a bite? It's okay. Mmm, pumpkin.
Mmm.
B, yummy? B, besito, Nani. Besito. Mwah. Say thank you. Daju, Nani.
Say thank you, Nani. B. Say thank you, Nani.
B, say Nani. B, do Nani?
Ah.
Oh, he's too busy. Oh. You like that one, huh?
Do that.
Caillou. See, Caillou. Say thank you, Nani.
Thank you, Nani.
Oh, that's nice. Look, Nani. your mummy from Halloween past is on the table. It's like right like next to you in the shot. Thank
Are you
you.
gonna have another cookie?
Okay. Okay. All right, mommy, go read now. Okay, be besito. Okay, mommy, read. Besito. Mwah. Be besito. Oh, that is not gonna happen. He's too busy. Okay. Happy Halloween.